Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make zero sugar cookie dough. We'll dive into creating a delightful, edible treat that satisfies your sweet cravings without any added sugar. This guide focuses on simple, accessible ingredients and straightforward steps, ensuring your homemade cookie dough is both delicious and a healthier option. Get ready to enjoy a truly guilt-free indulgence in just a few easy steps. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need a quality granulated sugar substitute such as erythritol or a stevia blend to provide sweetness without the sugar. For the base, consider almond flour or coconut flour, which are excellent low-carb alternatives. Don't forget unsweetened nut butter like peanut or almond to add richness, and sugar-free chocolate chips for that classic cookie dough experience. Now, let's mix your dough to perfection. First, cream together about 1/2 cup of softened butter or coconut oil with 1/3 cup of your chosen sugar substitute until light and fluffy. Next, gradually incorporate 1 cup of almond flour and a small pinch of salt. Finally, fold in about 1/2 cup of sugar-free chocolate chips and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until everything is just combined. Once your delicious zero-sugar cookie dough is ready, proper storage is key. Keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days to maintain freshness. You can enjoy it raw, straight from the fridge, or bake small, 1-ounce portions at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. For longer storage, freeze individual dough balls for up to 1 month.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.